ages, we've been making compost with our organic kitchen waste, but we never managed to work on the odor and the CO2 emissions. Did you know every ton of organic waste creates 4 tons of carbon dioxide emissions? After 10 years of research, now we have highly efficient and a simple innovation, the Probaseal. Just a pinch of this magical powder on your kitchen waste will solve not only the smell, the leeches, and rodent problems, but also fix the CO2 emission. Now the CO2 from your kitchen waste is literally in your fingertips. Probaseal, the power at your fingertips.
Probaseal is now available through Auroville.com. Just follow the links below, and don't forget to subscribe on your way out.